Being one of the most recommended SEO tools online, SEO expert have all the best things to say about AHREF. It is the second largest website clever after Google. Its site audit feature is considered as the best SEO analysis tool around. The site audit feature by Ahref help you highlight the part of your website that requires improvements and updates. This immensely help you to achieve better search engine ranking. The way to use Ahref is straightforward. Just enter the URL you want to test. Enter the keywords you want to search. You can also use Ahref to snack into your competitor backlinks. This provides you with a starting point when you launching your own brand. Marketers use Ahref to determine the most linked to content with a particular niche. Growth Marketing Manager that Ahref is best free SEO tool when it comes to keywords research, rank tracking, competitor analysis, SEO audit, viral content research, and much more features.